Things you gotta have for your Honda Grom. Get some side mirrors. It'll make a huge difference in the way your bike looks. Those stock antenna mirrors does the bike no justice. Next thing you want to do is get a new handlebar, preferably the protaper bar. Next, get yourself an exhaust. Make sure it's loud. You want to make sure you're seen and you're heard on the road for your safety. For aesthetics, get yourself an integrated taillights. It'll make your bike look so much better. And then get rid of that fender. It looks horrible. Your bike isn't going to look like a scooter anymore. It's going to look fast.